well, y'all could just kiss my rasshole. And
Yes, I'm Roman, and for today's video, I will do an accent tag. For this accent challenge, this accent tag, I will watch other videos and mimic the accents. The accent for today is the Bajan accent. I am not really familiar with this one, but let's go.
listen, let me tell one of something.
Listen, let me tell you something. Oh, this sounds so weird.
Don't tell me that I cannot speak in a Bajan accent
Don't tell me I cannot speak in a Bajan accent because
I'm the wrong color, okay?
I'm the wrong color, okay? Oh, this is like this music's way, but I'm Caribbean, so this shouldn't be that hard.
Bajans come in all sizes, shapes, and colors.
Bajans come in all sizes, shapes, and colors. I don't think that was Bajan. I think that was more Trinidadian, Indian, I don't know.
And not all white people were slave owners in Barbados either. You need to brush up on your history.
And not all white people were slave owners in Barbados either. You need to brush up on your history. Oh hell no. That was not Bajan at all. I don't know what's happening here.
And if you're taking yourself seriously and you send me more comments on YouTube about how I can't speak in this accent as my accent, well, y'all could just kiss my rasshole. And
Yo! She fire! So I don't remember what she said, but I'll try and improvise. So if you keep sending me things in the comments, well, you can just kiss me rasshole.
you know you is a Bajan
You know you're using Bajan.
if you're using that word.
If you're using that word, me rasshole, interrupted. In Jamaica we say ras. But rasshole, oh my god, I don't think I've ever said rasshole. Wow, it flows so naturally. Okay. Okay, that is it for my video today. If there are any Bajans in the comments, please let me know. And I know that I killed your accent, I'm so sorry. But it is an interesting accent and I actually like it. Anyways, if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, share, leave a comment, and I'll see you next time. Ciao, ciao.
Yes, that's how we say all I wanna. Let me say
All you?
oh yeah. That's how we say girl. When you say
Like y'all?
Here girl.
I find Bajan people accents nice, like sexy.